Hola.
El suelo es lava.
Çak. Aferin. Pet. Çak. Aferin.
Oh my god.
12 away.
Hello? Ow! No!
Sorry.
Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Hey. No, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Monster.
Outside? 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 Let's go.
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Come with me to my daddy's house for the last time ever. And no, mommy and daddy are not separating, they are not getting a divorce, and they are not about to co-parent. In fact, it is quite the opposite. Drum roll, please. Mommy and daddy are moving in together. I am so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy's house. Daddy's house. Let's go. Okay, onwards. Quick little selfie. Looking so cute. My mommy picks me up and carries me through the lobby because I'm not allowed to walk on the floors. Why? Because management thinks that I'm some dirty animal, but whatever. Their loss. Obviously, my Uber is waiting out front. SUVs only, baby. I take advantage of the time in this car because I have my mommy's undivided attention, which means lots of scratchy scratches. I hold my mommy's hand because it is not a beautiful day in Miami today. The thunder is thundering, the rain is raining. So scary. And we're here. Obviously, the first thing I do is my little leg kicks to show all the dogs in this neighborhood that I am the alpha dog around here, King Louie. This is me walking towards the building, right foot, left foot, and it's about to rain. Mommy, let's go, pick up the pace. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. My mommy picks me up and carries me again because management here also thinks that I'm some dirty animal. I mean, What the actual F? What is this? Hi, I'm here for Daddy. Now let us up. And naturally, the front desk human obeys my order and lets us go up. This is me, waiting for the magic teleportation box to bring me upstairs so I can go see my daddy. Someone cue the magic teleportation box music. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Now this is the moment I've been waiting all day for. My mommy undoes my harness because there is no mean security to tell us what to do. And freedom. I do some sniffing, I do some searching, and I quickly realize where I am. And I get so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy, Daddy, let's go. Is this Daddy's door? Yay, 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 we're here. Oh wait, no, wrong door. Daddy, 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 is this Daddy's door? Yay, yay, yes it is. Let us in. Now before I can do anything, I must eat my dinner because food is life. So good. What in the world is going on in here? There are so many bags, so many boxes. Daddy needs to get it together. This is not an adequate living space for a king like me, but I'll allow it just this one time. I help my daddy decide what we're taking and what we're donating. Mommy and Daddy thought that this was their time together. Nuh-uh. This visit was for me. So naturally, I get next to my daddy and I steal my mommy's man. You jealous?
Hello. Today while Mom was doing a Zoom teaching lesson with her tiny humans, she got up for a second to go grab a pencil, and I was so worried her tiny humans would be up to no good, so I hopped up on her chair and stuck my nose in the camera. I started to make all the tiny humans laugh, and then I saw a cup of tea next to the computer and thought it looked yummy, so I started to chug the shit out of it. Mom heard all her tiny humans laughing and ran back into the room to me sitting in her chair drinking her tea. It's safe to say the tiny humans love me and won't stop asking for me now. Sorry Mom, but I'm their new favorite. For all you Karens, the tea had caffeine in it and now I can't control myself. Well, gotta go chase squirrels and get this energy out of me.
Kiss your dog and see their reaction.
More?
Human action that cats will only tolerate from their favorite human. Touching their nose. A cat's nose is very sensitive, and most cats don't like their nose being touched. In the world of cats, nose touching is a very intimate gesture. It is a step above bunting. A nose poke also leaves the cat very vulnerable, as we must be very close to their face to do it. Therefore, it is offered sparingly and only to the best of friends. So if your cat allows you to touch their nose, it means they fully trust you and see you as a very close companion.
Kiss your cat and record their reaction. His face.
It's Mama. You afraid of Mom?
Meu pitbull que todos os dias espera meu bebê acordar e traz a bolinha para eles brincarem.
I apologize. I always forget.
О, ты тут, здорово.
This is definitely the strangest dog I've ever worked on. This is Kobe, the golden retriever, not the basketball player. He has a lot of quirks, we'll say, and this is me contemplating about what's about to happen. Kobe is always really good for the bath, so I gave him some waves. And I used de-shedding shampoo and conditioner because even though he's not the hairiest golden retriever, he was a pretty hairy golden retriever. So it's always important to use protection so you don't breathe in all that hair. And then me and Kobe fought for who's gonna do the other one's nails. Kobe knows how to use his paws and he knows how to use them well, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because they were never used for good. He still has his family jewels, and so he's very interested in other dogs and other smells. And holding his face to scissor his chest was being on like a mechanical bull ride. I was being tossed around, gripped onto, and thrown into another dimension. When he finally started to lay down and accept that he won the one-sided boxing match, he decided to treat himself to my table mat, and hey, I'll take that over paws into my nose. He really is so adorable. He just has to stop his impulsive thoughts from controlling him, and same. But anyways, bye Kobe!
Well, just as I thought, trash.
I got no treats this morning, so I'm gonna act like, listen, I'm gonna act, hey, Nelly, here. Yes, good dog, look what I got. You wanna load up? You wanna load up? Nelly, you're soaking wet. I cannot pick you up right now. Come on. What do I gotta do, bark at you? Come on, load up. Dadgum, dude. You know I got a hurt hip too. You making me do this crap. Oh. It's like it rains outside and they just like default to factory settings. They have no clue what to do. Come on, load up. Come on. Freaking, oh my gosh, my hip hurts so much. Oh. Remy, kennel. Yes, good dog. Come on, get excited. Get excited. You know what it is? She's got some water. She's got some mud inside of there because it's been raining. It's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights. I'm not gonna give this to her. This is a granola bar. Can you, oh, what is that? What is that? Can you load up? Yes, good dog. That's what I'm talking about, Bean. I'm sorry, but you can't have this. I think it's got chocolate in it. It's got chocolate in it, Bean. You can't have it. I'll get you set up right when we get home. I'll get you set up right when we get home. Don't worry. Kennel. Yes, good dog. I ain't got nothing today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.